Here division using multiplication tables or otherwise long division method. Long division method. So, using multiplication tables, then how to divide, or otherwise using long division method how to do our division. So, various, so in division, so we will discuss and we will learn, so how to divide using various methods. What methods we discuss? Using, so subtraction means repeated subtraction on number line. So, all this we discuss, and here again we are going to discuss how to divide using multiplication tables or long division method using these two. First of all, one question is 18 divided by 9. 18 divided by 9, what is our answer? So, using table, how to do this? In 9 table, when you will get 18? 9 2s are, that is your answer. Here 2 is your answer. This 9 is called divisor, we know this. Divisor, this one, and this 18 is your dividend. And this is your quotient. Divisor, dividend and quotient. Okay. By using long division method, how to do this? First we have to keep our divisor here and like this, and we have to keep our dividend in middle 18. Now, after that we have to check 18 when you will get in 9 table. 9 2s are, that quotient we have to keep here, and 18, 8 in 1's place and 1 in 10's place we have to write, and this is same number minus same number is 0, or otherwise, so 9 divided by 18 we can take like this also. So, if you want to take like this, that is your wish. If you want to write like this, that is your wish. Now, again in long division method, so we have to check, so where 18 will come in 9 table. 9 2s are 2, that quotient here 9 2s are 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. So, the quotient, if you want to take your quotient here, that is your wish. If you want to take like this your quotient, that is your wish. This is long division method. So, in one step we get 0 here. So, it is very easy. Long division method is very useful in the division when 2 or more steps are there in the division. 2 or more steps were there. So, that is very convenient. If more than 2 steps were there, then we have to follow long division method. Otherwise, by using multiplication tables we can do, another methods you can do. Long division method also we can do, but more than 2 steps, 2 or more steps were there in the division, then we should follow long division method for our convenience. Okay. Now, here divide 24 by 2. 24. So, how this 24 means? 2 tens, 4 ones. So, this we have to divide, divided by 2. 24 means 2 tens and 4 ones. So, then how to divide? See here, 2 divided by 24. First we have to take this tens place. Which place? Tens place. So, we have to divide from left to right, First place value we have to take this 2 and compare with this divisor. So, divisor and this place value both were same. So, no need to take this 4 first. First we have to take 2 only, 2 tens we have to take. 2 tens divided by 2. If 2 tens divided by 2, so then if 2 divided by 2, so then when the 2 will come in 2, 2 ones are 2. So, 1 tens. So, first we have to take, so this 2 when you will get in 2 table, 2 ones are 110 we have to take in quotient, 2 ones are 2, that 2 we have to write. So, exactly below to this 2. Then after that we have to take hundreds place, tens ones place. So, what is ones place? 4 ones. Now 4 ones we have to divide with 2. 4 ones we have to divide with 2. In 2 table when you will get 4. So in 2 table when you will get 4, 2 2s are, that 2 you have to take, 2 2s are 4. Now you minus it, 4 minus 4 0. So like this we have to divide. First 24, 24 means 2 tens and 4 ones. 2 tens 4 ones divided by 2. 2 tens 4 ones divided by 2. So then if 2 tens and 4 ones divided by 2, first what we have to do? First we have to divide this 2. So 2 and this divisor we have to compare this 2 with the divisor. These two are equal. First we have to divide 2 tens with 2. When you will get this 2 in 2 table, 2 ones are, means 110. That one we have to keep in the quotient place. 2 ones are 2. 2 we have to write here. Then after that 2 minus 2 is 0. If 0 is there, then no need to take. Then after that ones place we have to copy. So then here we take ones place and 4 ones. 4 ones again we have to divide with this 2. Where you will get this 4 ones in 2? 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 2 ones here, here 4. Then 4 minus 4 0. 4 minus 4 0. In this way, so we have to divide. We have to divide. Then so we have to check our answer is correct or not. How to check? First we have to multiply this quotient with this dividend, quotient with the divisor. Quotient, this is the quotient with the divisor. We have to multiply quotient with the divisor. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 24. So then we will get dividend. If we multiply quotient and divisor, we should get dividend. So then your answer is correct. So in this way we have to check. Okay. Okay students. Now students, in exercise first question, divide and check your answer. So we have to divide and check our answer. First question, 3 divided by 24. First here. So here in tens place we have to compare this tens place with the divisor. So divisor is bigger. If divisor is bigger, we have to take 24 at a time. 24 at a time. When if the divisor is bigger. Next, we have to check in 3 table when you will get 24. Read here 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 8 we have to keep here and 24. 2 here and 4 here. 4 in ones place, 2 in tens place we have to keep. Now after that 24 minus 24 is 0. This is the remainder. Now how to check? We have to multiply quotient with divisor or divisor with quotient. 3 into 8. 3 8s are 24. 24 is our dividend. If we multiply divisor with quotient, we should get dividend. Then our answer is correct. Now, in this question B, here make a rough column first here. So here 64 means 6 tens, 4 ones. Now first we have to check 6 and 4. Compare 6 with 4. 6, this 6 is bigger than this 4. No need to take this 4. So only we have to take 6. So in 64, so this 6, where you will get 6 in 4 table, means 6 tens we have to divide by 4. Now you check, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 8 is bigger than this 6. So we have to take 110, 1, 4, ones are 4 ones are 4, that 4 we have to write. So, below to 6. 4 ones are 4 we have to take. 4 twos are 8. 8 is bigger than this 6, no need to take. If bigger number will come, then don't take that one. First you read your table. 4 ones are 4. If 4 twos are 8, 8 is bigger than this 6, so don't take bigger number. Okay. First we have to take single digit, single number, that is tens place. Why we are taking here only single number? So this 6 is bigger than this divisor. If the number, the very extreme left number, left digit, extreme left digit is bigger than the divisor, we have to take a single digit only, that is 6. Where we will get 6 in 4 table? 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8, that is bigger than this, so don't take. 4 ones are 4. Then after that minus. 6 minus 4 is how much? 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Then after that, so we have to copy ones place. 24. 24. 24. So then in 4 table, when you will get 24? Read your 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. Then 24, 4 in ones place, 2 in tens place. Then minus. Same number minus same number, 0. This is our answer. Then check. How to check? First we have to multiply the quotient with divisor. 16 with 4. 16 with 4. Now you multiply. 4 6 are 24. 4 in ones place, 2 in tens place. Carry over on tens place. Now you multiply 4 with 1. 4 ones are 4. 5 and 6. Add this 2. 4 ones are 4, 5, 6, 64. This 64 is our dividend. If we multiply quotient with divisor, we should get divisor. Then only our answer is correct. So here we multiply 16 with 4. It means quotient with divisor. Then the 64 is our dividend. We are getting dividend. So our answer is correct. So in this way we have to divide. Okay. Yes, now students, here division of a 3-digit number with a single digit number. Division of a 3-digit number with a single digit number, how to divide. See here, divide 393 by 3. How to divide? So first 3 is in hundreds place, 300, 300s divided by 3, and after that 300 divided by 3 plus 900s, 9 tens, 9 in tens place, 9 tens divided by 3 plus after that 3 ones, 3 divided by 3. All this we have to divide it by 3. First what? 3 hundreds divided by 3, 9 tens divided by 3 plus 3 ones divided by 3. So then first here 393, so we have to divide with 3. Then how to divide? First 3 hundreds. If 3 hundreds, this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. Now we have to divide hundreds, 3 hundreds with 3. In 3 table, when you will get 3, 3 ones are. So that is our quotient is 3 ones are. 3 ones are 3. 1 means 100s are. 3 100s are 300. We have to write 3 ones are 3. Then, so it is 100. So 3 where you will get 3 100s are. Then 3 minus 3 is 0. So, this is hundreds division, this is hundreds, 100 division, 100 division, 100 divided hundreds. Next 0, so no need to take 0 if 0 is there. Then after that we have to copy tens, 9 tens. In 3 table when you will get 9, 3 3s are means 3 3s are 9, 9. So, this is a tens division, tens division, tens place division. Then after that minus 9 minus 9 is 0, no need to take, if you want to take then take. Then after that ones place you have to take. So, ones place in 3 table when you will get 3, 3 ones are, 3 ones are, first we have to copy 3, first we have to copy 3. Then when you will get 3, 3 ones are 3, then 3 minus 3 0, division ones, division ones place division. Okay. So, in this way we have to divide one by one. First we have to divide hundreds place and tens place and ones place. So, then 3 is divided by 3, 3 ones are 3, 1 hundreds, 100. Then after that, so in 3 table when you will get tens, 2 tens, 2. Then in 3 table when you will get 3, 3 ones, 3 ones are 3. Then 100 plus 2 in 10, 2 tens means 20. This is 3 3s are 9, no, 3 tens, 3 tens are 30 plus 1 ones is 1. 100 plus 30, 130, 130 plus 1 is 131. Our quotient is 131. Our quotient is 131. In a sequence we have to divide. First we have to divide hundreds place. Then after that we have to divide tens place with the divisor. Next ones place we have to divide with the divisor. So, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. One by one, one by one, one by one we have to take and we have to divide from left to right. Okay. Yes students, next topic, division of a 4-digit number by a single digit number. So, this is a 4-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, this 4-digit number. So, we have to divide with a single digit number. See how to divide. 2 divides 2684, 2684. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. First we have to divide thousands place, thousands divide thousands, divide thousands place. So, in 2 table when you will get 2, 2 ones are, 2 ones are, that we have to write here, ones are in quotient place, 2 ones are 2. This is divide thousands, divide thousands. First you have to divide thousands, then minus 2 minus 2 is 0, no need to take 0. Then after that hundreds, we have to take 100. What is there in 100? 6, that we have to copy. In 2 table when you will get 6, 2 3s are, 2 3s are, 2 3s are 6, that 6 we have to write. So, below in 6 place. Then this is, so divide 100, divide 100. Okay. Then 6 minus 6 is 0, no need to write. Then after that you have to take tens, that is 8, copy 8. Then in 2 table when you will get 8, read your 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8 we have to write here. This is divide tens, divide tens. Then 8 minus 8 is 0, no need to take. Then after that we have to copy ones place. What is there in ones place? 4. So, we have to check in 2 table when you will get 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 2, 2s are 4. So, this is divide once, divide, then 4 minus 4 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0. So, in this way we have to divide one by one. First we have to divide thousands place, thousands value, next we have to copy hundreds, and after that we have to divide 100, and after that tens value. So, we have to divide tens, then after that ones we have to divide. Okay. Yes, now students, the second question, divide and check your answer. So, this is a 4 digit number, 1 2 3 4, 4 digit number is given. This number we have to divide with a single digit number, and also we have to check our answer. So, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundred place, this is thousands place. First we have to divide this thousands place with 5. In 5 table when you will get 5, 5 ones are 5, then this is divide thousands. First you have to divide thousands, then 5 minus 5 is 0, no need to take. Then after that hundreds place, you have to copy hundreds place. Again you have to check in 5 table when you will get 5, 5 ones are, again the quotient is 1, 5 ones are 5. So, this is the divide 100, divide hundreds. Next 5 minus 5 is 0, no need to write. Again you copy the next one, that is tens place. What is there in tens place? 5. Again you check in 5 table when you will get 5, 5 ones are 5. This is divide tens, then minus 5 minus 5 is 0. Here in ones place 0 is there, so 0 is left, so that 0 we have to keep in the quotient. When we have to keep 1 0 in quotient, if 1 0 is left in ones place, so then we have to keep 1 0 in tens place in quotient. So, no need to divide that one ones place. Why? Because in ones place 0 is there, that 0 we have to keep in the quotient. Okay. Now, the remainder is 0. So, like this we have to divide, then after that we have to check. How to check? So, we have to multiply this quotient. What is our quotient? 1110. This quotient we have to multiply this divisor. What is our divisor? 5 is our divisor. Then 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So, this is our dividend. Once you check what is your dividend, 5550. So, we are getting 5550. So, this is our correct answer. This is our correct answer. Now, here this 4 digit number, that is 6393, we have to divide with a single digit. First, this is our ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and this is thousands place. Now, we have to divide this thousands place with this 3. Divide thousands first. So, when you will get 6 in 3, 3 2s are 3 2s are 6, that 6 we have to write. So, below to the 6. Then this is divide thousands. Now, minus 6 minus 6 is 0. If 0 is there, no need to take. Then after that we have to copy this hundreds place, very next place, that is hundreds place, that is 3. Now, you check in 3 table when you will get 3 ones are 3 ones are 1, you have to write in the quotient, 3 ones are 3. This is the divide hundreds, divide hundreds. Now minus 3 minus 3, same number minus same number is 0. Now you copy the next one. So what is the number in tens place? 9. Now you divide tens, divide tens. Now in 3 table when you will get 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, that 3 we have to write in the quotient, 3 threes are 9. Then 9 minus 9 is 0, no need to take that 0. Then after that you copy this one, 3, this 3, divide once, divide then when you will get this 3 in 3 table, 3 ones are, so that you have to write in the quotient, 3 ones are 3, then 3 minus 3 finally 0. So one's place is over, the last place is over, then your answer is over. Then what is your quotient? 2131. Now check, we have to check our answer. How to check? So this quotient 2131 we have to divide with the divisor. Now multiply with the divisor, multiply with the divisor. Now multiply, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 6393, 6393. This is our dividend. So we got dividend. So our answer is correct. Okay. Next, now the third question, solve the following. So 5055 we have to divide with a single digit number, that is with 5. So we have to divide 5055 with 5. This is our ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now this is thousands place. First we have to divide thousands. We have to divide thousands. Divide thousands. In 5 table when you will get 5, 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then after that you copy the next one, that is 0. 0 is less than this 5, so it won't work out. Again we have to take one more digit, that is tens. That is tens. How it is? And if you want to take this 0 first, so divide with this 5, here divide hundreds, divide hundreds, 0 is there, then 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0. Then after that next tens place, that is 5, then divide tens. So this 5, when you will get 5 in 5 table, 5 ones are 1 in quotient, and here 5, and again minus 5 minus 5 is 0, no need to write. Then after that again this 5 ones place 5 is in ones place, divide once, then in 5 table when you will get 5 ones are 5, then minus 5 minus 5 is 0. Then what is our quotient? 1011. Therefore if 5055 divided by 5, then what is our quotient? 1011. This is the quotient. Next, now here this 4 digit number we have to divide with a single digit number, that is 2. 2 divides 4800. Okay. First this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, next thousands place. First we have to divide thousands place. In 2 table when you will get 4, first we have to divide thousands, divide thousands, then in 2 table when you will get 4, 2 2s are 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4 0, do not take. Then after that 8, hundreds place we have to take. When you will get 100 into 8 into table, here divide hundreds, divide hundreds. When you will get 8 into table, 2 4s are 8, then 8 minus 8 is 0. Then after that you take 0, 0 here, divide tens, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0. If 0 is there, then 2 zeros are 3 zeros, whatever the dividend is there. So that dividend we have, divisor we have to multiply with 0. Then after that ones, divide ones, divide, then 2 zeros are again 0, 0 minus 0 0. Then what is your quotient? 2400. It means if 4800 is divided by 2, then what is the quotient? 2400. This is your quotient. This is your quotient. Okay.